Which phone has more features? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many of you might be interested in: comparing the features of two popular smartphones. Let's dive in and see which phone has more impressive features. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This phone is packed with some fantastic features, including a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED to X Infinity O display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the latest Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 888 processor depending on the region, and comes with 12 GB of RAM. On the camera side, the S21 Ultra features a 108MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a TOF camera. It also offers a 100MP front-facing camera. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This device is also known for its impressive features, including a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's powered by the A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest ever in a smartphone. This phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and features 3 rear cameras, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 12MP wide lens, and a telephoto lens with a 50MP lens. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also has a front-facing 24MP camera. While both phones are fantastic, it's important to note that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is slightly ahead in terms of processor power and camera capabilities. However, the iPhone 12 Pro Max still offers an excellent value for its price, and its 5G support makes it a great option for those who value high-speed connectivity. So, it really comes down to personal preference and which features are most important to you.